Hey guys, this is Del Rojas with Ruff Rescue Transport. This is my partner Diane. We've got the hurricanes coming through. Had Helene come through already. We've got Milton, which is coming through as we speak. We have decided to set up shop here at this hangar. This is where we're going to be receiving donations, and all the donations are going to be flown out to the different disaster areas. We got Valdosta, Georgia, Asheville, North Carolina. We also have Tennessee. We're going to find out real soon where we're going to be with the west coast of Florida.
Thank you for everybody who's already helped and everybody who's willing to help. We are accepting donations at our hangar in Pompano. We need both human and animal donations. Nothing is too small. If you'd like to do monetary donations, you can Zelle at ruffrescuetransport@gmail.com, or there's going to be a QR link to PayPal.
On behalf of the Ruff Rescue Transport team, we want to thank you so much for all your support.
And God bless.